Alright, welcome back everyone to Toyo's channel. As you can see behind me, I've got two very special boxes of Nendoroid from the Death Stranding series. Sam Porter Bridges, and at the bottom there's Cliff, portrayed by Norman Reedus and Mads Mikkelsen respectively for Hideo Kojima's game. For me, I do like Death Stranding as a game. It's very different, it's unique. It may not be a game that's for everyone, but I had a good time, especially if you get past the boring bits that starts off relatively slow at the beginning with you traversing many terrains that you come across anyways in the game, and basically you just unlock more and more features in the game. But today I'm not going to talk about games, but if you do want to try out that game, please go and do so. It's a very unique experience. And as you know, I previously unboxed the Black Ludens figure, also made by the same company, Good Smells company, and also with the Ludens keychain as well. And there was one that was to do with the Death Stranding tape, so please go and check those out in my channel. I think they were from like 2 years ago. But anyway, before we begin, I just want to say another big thank you. We've hit 28 subscribers. We are growing. I am very grateful that you guys are watching it, because I've never expected people to really watch my content or enjoy, let alone subscribing. So thank you so much for your support. And as usual, before we begin, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also the ring notification button to see more unboxing, my toys, etc. Thank you so much again, you guys. And let's hop onto it. As you can see, this is the DX version. That means it's got extra features that comes with this package. So you can see on the right hand side there are more packages than the normal version that comes with our figure, and also there is the extra hood that comes with Norman Reedus' head. And on the side you can see you can do the craziness box stacking from the game. And for those of you who has played the game like myself, you do stack up tons and tons of boxes from time to time, and often Sam would just get knocked over by the various terrain surfaces and the boxes just fall all over the place. And at the bottom you can kind of see Norman Reedus with his hair all tied back. You can actually see there's another hair sculpt for Sam Porter Bridges, and this one is the middle parting. Very classic. And without further ado, let's get unboxing. I just can't wait. At the bottom you can see Norman Reedus with some very cool shades, and let's tear up the sticker. Wow, you do get tons and tons of boxes. Just look at it, it's kind of crazy. I think I need to count how many boxes exactly are there in this tiny package. Wow, the head sculpt is really nice. And also the body, it's got all the needed details from Sam's character design in the game. Just let me tear these plastic covers and stuff off. You can see even clearer of the details of the various bits and pieces all over his body. Essentially put all the different packages and boxes on his body to carry around. First off, we have his face, It's got the signature Norman Reedus' mole here on the front face. That kind of very Norman Reedus' stare is very iconic, regardless whether it's his character portrayal in the Death Stranding game or from the Walking Dead series. Moving on to the back, you can actually see his ponytail here. And yeah, it's a very nice head sculpt. Moving down below, we've got BB in the box, so you can see here. You can vaguely make out the baby shape. You can see the baby is sucking onto his thumb. Sorry, Lou is a girl, I think, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I played the game. And also you can kind of make out the ear on the right hand side. And you've got this very classic tube that he plugs into his body, well, from his body to the pod. Oh, this actually moves as well. Can it be taken off? I don't want to break it, but it probably can be taken off. So I'm going to try that later. So hopefully I can stack some boxes onto here as well. So these pieces come on both of his arms and also legs. Metal pieces are for the boxes as well, if I remember correctly. Kneecaps on both legs. Exoskeleton that you get to use in the game is accurately portrayed here in miniature form. Android does give good details on their figures. So here's the backpack and the radar thingy, and although it does flash and move quite a bit in the game when it detects the BTs around you, but unfortunately I think because it's so small and it would take a lot of engineering for them to kind of get this to move, as it would include molding different smaller pieces together with joints that are quite difficult to do with such a small piece of plastic. If I remember correctly, Emily gave him that dream catcher, but also let me know if I am wrong. On the backpack, the box rather, you can actually see the yellow tapes that go around it. And you can essentially plug this onto the back. Let's try that out now. And here you get the gun. So it's got the very fundamental orange and black aesthetics from the game. And the orange always brings back the memories of the Metal Gear Solid 4 entry from one of Hideo's previous games. It's just very, very iconic in my eyes, and it's a good resemblance for that installment. And yeah, the gun has all the needed details, and yeah, it's great looking. It's got the scope and the magazine, and yeah, let's move on. We have the pair of shades that you can put on Norman Reedus. I don't know why I'm calling him Norman Reedus, but anyway, you guys know it's the same person. If you look at it closely, they are each printed with the yellow tapes and as well as a white sticker that joins the tapes together. And I think it's a really neat detail for these boxes to really go all out on this front. And it may be just me that's getting crazy about the details, but they could have put the extra caution, fragile, blah 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 on the tape that was depicted in the game, but I know this is so small that it's difficult to do, but it would be even better. It's just a suggestion, so don't get me wrong on that. They've done a really good job already. And also it comes with this box that has a handle, and this variation, I really like this variation because you can essentially have Norman carry this around with him. Or for those of you who has played the game, he knocks out enemies with these kind of boxes. And here we have the middle parting hair sculpt. And moving on, we have the hood that have the Bridges logo on here, on the side, and it's very, very nicely printed. You can really see the details, the United States of America as portrayed in the game, and also the Bridges illustration on the top, and also on the other side as well. You can see the extra details from the metal piece joining the hood together. I think it's really nice how they did it, because with the joint and opening being here, you can hardly see it being able to open up because it's kind of hidden away here. And when you take it apart, it's just nicely crafted. So I'm quite glad I went with the DX package and got this. We've got 5 extra hands to play with, so you can kind of vaguely make out the legs of the worms, different gestures for the hand, and you can essentially hold the suitcase with this one and the gun with this one. And let's not forget about this pack of boxes. So here we go, let's count how many boxes there are. So we've got the usual stand. Whoa. Okay, so we've got, hope we get the focus right. We've got 5 blue boxes, 3 gold and 3 silver ones respectively in small sizes. And also the same number and same color in gold and silver, 3 of each as well in the bigger sizes. Okay, so let's put the stand together here as such. And you can plug this point into the big box here, and this is where the big box would go onto the back. Be very careful if you're playing around with it, because these parts, I think they break quite easily, so try to hold on to the front when you're trying to prodding the point into the back. Oh shit, I don't want to break it. Ugh. Okay. Just be partially gentle and partially forceful. That's all I can say really, because the plastic seems to be quite fragile from the sounds of it. Anyway, yay, we've got it. Damn, I should have done this just now. You can actually tear the top piece of plastic out and do this. Whoa. That's pretty cool. And voila. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And if you guys have played the game and remember, you can actually stack tons of boxes as such. It kind of actually makes me want to go back into the game. I managed to finish it, but I never really went for platinum, as it's a good game, but it's not that kind of game that I want to invest too much of my time in, because I've got a lot of other stuff that was going on at that time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a like and do subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness, and also remember to ring the notification bell for more updates from my channel. And do comment down below what you think of this figure, whether you like it, whether you want it more or you want other characters to be released as well, because for myself I do definitely want more figures from the Death Stranding series. Do stay tuned for my next one because I'll be unboxing the Cliff DX figure behind me, as you can see. Stay safe for now and I'll see you guys next time.